Hello, in this video I'll be discussing the analysis of the data presented in this Excel dashboard right here, and the data shows the customer data from a company that sells bikes. The data shows the following information for the customers: the customer ID, the marital status, the gender, the income, the children, education, occupation, homeowner, cars owned, commute distance, region, age, and if the customer purchased the bike or not. Now the data was modified to add an income bracket. So the income bracket was created with an if statement to group the income earners into different classes: the lower class, the middle class, and then the upper class. And then the age group was also added, which was also used created with an if statement, creating a group for seniors, for adults, for young adults, for youth, and then for children as well. Now, so using the information provided in this data, this dashboard was created to analyze the information on the customer data for the company that sells bike. So this analysis will help us see which type of customers they are selling to the most. It also help us see the customer group that they need to focus their sales on the most, and all other valuable business informations as well that will help them move their business forward and make better business decisions, better informed business decisions. So in order to make the dashboard interactive, it was created using pivot tables and pivot charts. The customer analysis was done for miles traveled, income bracket, age group, occupation, region, gender, and education was done as well. So with the slicers, we can pick the different marital status for the age group, for the customers. We can also pick genders as well. And then once we pick any of this information, we can see that the dashboard, being interactive, is changing to show the information that we need. And then for the homeowners, we can also pick if they are homeowners or not. And then once we pick if they are homeowners or not, we can also see that the dashboard is changing with respect to the slicers that we are picking or we are selecting. So we can clear out all the slicers, and then from our dashboard we can easily see, so we have a total of 1000 customers served. And then the graph shows two major color groups. The dark color set is for the customers that did not purchase the bike, and then the gray color set are for the customers that did purchase the bike. And then with these, we can, once we pick any of our slicers, like I mentioned earlier, we can easily see if a customer purchased the bike or not, or if a group purchased a bike or not. So based on the information provided now in our data, we were able to create the customer analysis by the miles traveled. We can easily see that based on the information provided, most of the customers that bought bikes were the ones that traveled 0 to 1 miles. And then we can also see that our most patronizing region is North America, while the top customer group are the adult group. So we can easily also check using the slicers as well, as I mentioned earlier. If we pick on the male group, we can see that there were changes. Still, the by miles traveled is still 0 to 1 miles. The middle class is still the highest customer group that is buying the bikes. And if we look at the occupation, the customers with professional occupation purchased more bikes. Also on the regional analysis, we can see North America purchased more bikes. And then by education, we can see that more bachelors purchased more bikes. Customers with bachelor's degree purchased more bikes. And then if we go into whether they are married or single, we'll also see changes. We can see that the top customer group changed to young for the top customer group for single male customers that bought the bike. And then with many more change or options that we pick, we'll be able to analyze and pick and see how the business performed with regards to the options that we're picking, and then we'll be able to make more informed business decisions to help the business promote their business and make better sales with regards to projecting their future sales as well. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope to share more videos with you soon. Bye bye.